Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Give me 1 minute.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay, guys. So until where we have discussed, we discuss about information and then statistical also we discuss, right? No mathematical. Mathematical, I told you that we will discuss about some ifs, some ifs. Did you guys try on this? Yes, no?
Which one?
Some ifs,
Yes,
some
sir.
ifs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. And guys, please bear with me because I have sore throat still. So my voice will be like this only. Hope you can understand my voice. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have throat infection from last 2 days. Okay, so we discussed about average, average if, and average ifs in the statistical tab. What is average, average if, average ifs difference? These three.
Average is normal average
On
of
average, no condition will be up.
Mhm.
And average, if with conditions,
Yeah,
we'll write the function.
one condition, right?
Yeah, one condition.
Mhm. Average ifs.
More than one condition.
Yes, same thing here. Some ifs, some ifs. Some, I want to get sum of salary from dataset sheet. Example here. So here I want to get a sum of net salary. I can apply sum of net salary. Total how much we are paying as an this much total we are paying. Then next question is okay, total how much we are paying to the managers. Total how much net salary we are paying to the managers. If you do not know the function, then how will you do? We will just apply filter. And then we'll apply filter on manager. One minute. Then we'll see total of the managers is this 4,700, right? All the managers. Let me change this to DV. Now, how many managers? 4. Total should be 26562. Okay, so this 26562, I want to get it here. Managers. So sum if range criteria sum range. What is the range?
Where we are looking.
This is designation. In this range, how many managers are there? Manager, comma, some range, net salary, 106,250. This is the average, this is the sum. So we were looking for sum, not for the average. So for average, it will be showing this. For sum, it will be showing this. So I think I used the average there, my word, but not average. Sum I was talking about. Now next, managers net salary where basic salary is greater than 10,000. If we can do average ifs, why can't you do this one? You can do it, right? Some ifs. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Rand between. What is rand?
Random number.
Random number. Yes. So let's suppose I have few numbers. RAND rand. Rand means rand function will give you number between 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1. It means 0 to 1 means what? It can be any decimal number. Yep. Between 0 to 1. Rand. Do you see any argument?
No.
It's
No argument.
yeah. Number is 005. Now this number will be changing until unless if you do not apply paste special values. If you write any number here, now you see it is 0053. Now what is the number? If I enter anything here, number getting changed. If you want to apply paste special value, Control C, Alt ESV, same place Alt ESV values, hit OK. Now there is no more formula. Sorry, 1 minute. Now there is no more formula. It has been changed into values.
Sir, what is the use of this function?
Nothing actually, I will tell you that. If you are just giving any training to anyone, and let's suppose you want to take some 10 numbers between 0 to 1, decimal numbers, and you just want to add those numbers. In that case, you can apply this function in 10 cells, 10, 12, whatever cells you have, 10 cells. Then simple, you can apply rand function, and then you can apply control and enter. Now there are 10 decimal numbers between 0 to 1. Then you can apply control C or TS values. Now you can say that okay, there are 10 numbers where we want to add these numbers. For training purpose, you can use it. Same like this. If I am let's suppose if I'm explaining you some function, number 1, number 2, dot 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 dot, and I want to add some 10 numbers. For an example, I want to add some 10 numbers. Then instead of writing 10 numbers between 10 to 100, let's suppose between 10 to 100, I want to write 10 numbers. How will you write? I'll write like this: 10, 34, 56, 78, 90,
Okay, okay.
32, 45, any number, right? But the same 10 numbers I can write between 0 to 100 with the help of formula. The formula is
Random
this,
between. Okay.
ran between. Bottom number 10, top number 100. Nothing but my requirement is bottom number should be 10, higher number can be 100. Between this range, give me any 10 random numbers. Bottom 10 and top 100. Between these two numbers, give me any 10 number. Now range selected, hit control and enter. Can you see numbers? Now these number will be getting changed until unless if you do not apply case special values. For second example, I can give you that let's suppose you are a class teacher. Principal comes into the class. There are 100 students, and class teacher asked you that. Principal ma'am asked that. I want to check any 10 students, 10 students paper, okay, or the answer sheet. Then you can, guys, 1 minute. I'm getting a call. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. These are 10 numbers. You can take it, and then principal ma'am can tell that, okay, these are my 10 numbers. Just give me the answer sheet for these 10 students. If she wants to know 30 people, 35, 82, or 32 member, or 45 students, then you can apply this function and you can take it. Ran between. Median mode. We studied in our BCom or 12th class. Median mode. What is mean?
Mean means least, median means median value, mode value, right?
Mean means least, median means middle value, mode means upper value.
Yes.
Wow, super.
Maybe.
Not like that. What is mean? Mean means nothing but average, right? If I have these three fixed numbers, Total of these 6 numbers is
21.
21 divided by 6. Average is
3.5.
mean is average. If I say total of these 5 numbers, 15. 15 divided by 3. Sorry, 15 divided by 5. Total 5 number. Average is 3.
3.
Let me take it. Let me apply here median. Mean function, sorry, not mean, average. There is no function. Mean is, there is no function of name called as a mean. So mean is mean, there is no function mean. But mean is what? Average only. Average of this result is 3 only. What is median? Middle value.
Value.
Median value. Middle value. Median. Median of these 5 numbers. 3.
3.
Okay, what is mode? Most frequent number, most repeated number. Mode of this. Which number is getting repeated?
2.
Result is 2 only, okay? Okay, then we have ABS function. ABS, what is ABS? Absolute value. And ABS will be changing negative value into positive. ABS function, ABS, absolute value. It will change negative number into positive number. If I apply here ABS, result will be positive only. Don't think that it will change from positive to negative, negative to positive. No, it will be changing negative to positive only. Okay. If you want to change this positive to negative also, you can do it, but not ABS. But not ABS, you have to put in the beginning minus symbol. Then you can change it. Equal symbol minus ABS. Okay. That you can do. Now, best example for ABS is this. I will tell you. Let's suppose you have a company and you have 3 companies and you have those 3 companies, you have accountant, company E, company A, company B, company C. 3 companies, 3 accountants. Okay. And now year end completed already. March is going on. So audit is being done because our financial year is 1st April to 31st March. Or let's suppose CA wants to know that, okay, tell me your 3 companies, these 4, these 3 charges. Which charges? These charges. Rent, electricity, salaries, and miscellaneous expense. I want to know overall for these 3 companies. What CA has done, CA has sent an email to our senior manager asking for the same, that send me a file or send me a email wherein I can see total expenses for these 3 companies. Okay. What happened is that company A accountant send details to senior manager, Control C, Control V. Company B accountant send the detail to senior manager on email. company C account also sent. In the last, what senior manager has done, he just copied the data. Whatever data was sent by company A accountant, he just Control C and did Control V here. Whatever company B accountant sent, Control C and Control V. Company C accountant sent, Control C, Control V done. And this data he sent it to chartered accountant, and then he got a big escalation email that this data is not correct. How can you send me this data? This is not a total of the expenses. Can you tell me why this total is wrong? Any idea?
Brackets, and it was not consolidated. All the rents should go in the same one.
Okay, yeah. What else?
And the value bracket should not be there.
Yes. So, see, from company P accountant perspective, he can be right. Company B accountant. Because company A and company C, I do not see any difference. It's like maintaining same database kind of thing. Amount can be different. Don't go on the amounts. Amount can be different, but maintaining file like the same way is correct. But company B accountant might be what he is thinking that whatever expenses are occurring in my business, I will show those expenses in negative. And whatever income inflow is there in my business, I will show those income in positive. Nothing but cash inflow, he will be showing in positive. Cash outflow, he'll be showing in negative value. Okay, let's suppose sales. If sales is there, then he is showing this in sales like this. This is what he is thinking. Okay, sales is there, this is our income. So I am just showing it as in positive. Whatever expense is there in the company, I'll show in the negative. Might be it's for his perspective. But while sending this data set to senior manager, he just copied it and sent it. And without any second thought, senior manager copied it and pasted it, and he sent this to chartered accountant. He just did a postman job. What postman does? Postman just getting a kind of
Collect it and deliver it.
just pick up and drop. That's it. Pick it and drop it. Simple postman job. He did it. But this is not correct. If I take a total rent, how much it will be? 10,000, 10,000, 20. 20 plus 9, it should be 29. But result is 11,000. Why 11,000? Because he's showing is negative. So how can I do that is, I can apply ABS function. ABS of this sum is this. Now tell me which number is correct here. 71K is correct or 164 is correct? Where you lost, guys? Simple question. This total is correct. This total is correct. This total is correct.
1,64,000 is
This is total expense. Because you are totaling this 934, 25, 9,000. Total wise correct only, but we should not consider these amount as negative. It should be positive only. Total expense should be this. Clear? ABS? I can tell you example for best example for this ABS. Let me enter one more workbook. Okay, let's suppose you are a cashier in the bank, and if customer comes in the bank, mostly with the cashier, these two things will happen, right? Either
Yes.
he has to deposit the money in the customer account, or as per the request, he has to withdraw the money from the customer account. Happens.
Yes.
So as being a cashier, what he is doing is, if let's suppose if opening balance somewhere around maybe opening balance from previous day was, let's suppose, some 5 lakhs rupees with him, with cashier. After that, what's happening is, if someone is depositing the money in the bank, then he is giving like this: 20,000 deposited by, let's suppose, A, customer A. Okay, then next customer deposited 78,000, 45,000, minus 23,000, minus 56,000, minus 90,000. This is what happened. Okay, and he just writing a names here. Names you can write it, but names he also is given here. Then he has somewhere around for let's suppose for complete 1 year, Jan to December, he is around somewhere around 30,000 transactions. 30,000 transactions like this. And one given fine day, his boss asked that, track me or give me those transaction details wherein you have either 50,000 positive or 50,000 negative. Nothing but 50,000 deposited by the bank, sorry, by the customer in the bank, or 50,000 and above withdrawn by the customer from the bank. Just give me track and don't track. Just apply a formula there in the next column and filter those data and send it to me. He want everything in that file, but I will just apply filter on track and on track. That's it. But you need to apply formula there on those 30,000 transactions. How will you do it? If you are doing manually, then this, forget about opening balance starting from, let's suppose, transaction from here. 20,000, it will be
Doesn't-
on track, yes or no?
Yes.
78,000,
Track.
55,
No. Yes.
on track. This one, track. This one, track. Track, on track. So for all 30,000 transactions, I want like result like this. Do you think that you will write it manually? नथिंग बट किसी ने भी 50,000 रुपए जमा कराए बैंक में या 50 से ज्यादा निकाले, उसका ट्रैक लगाना है, नहीं बाकी सबका डोंट ट्रैक लगाना है. The question, simple question is this. His boss just want to see that someone has withdrawn or deposit more than 50,000 or equal to 50,000, that has to be tracked. Rest should not be tracked. Simple. Tell me how will you do it?
Deposit amount is
Hmm?
deposit amount is greater than or equal to
Okay. You start with if condition. If logical function this, if this number is less than equal to minus 50. Okay. But before that, you also apply over function, or this number is less than equal to minus 50,000, comma logical to this number is greater than equal to
50.
50,000. Parenthesis close, comma value of true. Track, else don't track. Same result without formula, with formula. Yes. This is or C6 less than equal to minus 60 minus 50. C6 greater than equal to 50,000 plus. Same thing, instead of that, what I can do is, first let me apply ABS function, ABS of this, and I will write simple function here. If this number is greater than equal to 50, then track, otherwise don't track. Same result. This, and this. Simply I apply ABS of this because what is my requirement?
greater than or equal to 50,000 or less than or equal to minus.
It can be plus minus, yes. But here I applied over function, then I apply if this number is less than equal to minus 50, or if this number is greater than equal to 50, then track, otherwise don't track. So I can combine these two functions. Combined function, I can write it. I can say if ABS of this number, if ABS of this number is greater than equal to 50, then track, otherwise don't track. In order to explain you, I explained this one, then I ABS, then apply function. In the last, I just simple a function combined with ABS and if. Guys, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Aggregate and this subtotal. This two function we'll discuss in the subtotal and aggregate. I'll discuss here in subtotal tab. Okay. Fact. What is fact? It's factorial. Factorial. What is factorial of 3? Factorial of 3. 3 into 2 into 1. Right? 3 into 2 into 1. This is what we studied. Result will be 6. If I want to know what is factorial of 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24, right? That is called factorial, yeah. So I can take it. Factorial number of 3, result is 6. Factorial of 4, result 20. Integer number, what is integer number? Integer number is a whole number. Integer number is a whole number. Integer number will never ever have any decimal numbers. It will not have any decimal places. Example here. 3.8254, 2.45, 8.05. Okay. From this, I want to know that what is the integer number. If you're applying a function, don't think that it will be round up or round off. No. If you are applying integer function, whatever number, the whole number is there, it will be taking that number only. 3.82 it will not be 4. It will be 3 only. 2.45. If you're thinking it will be 2 only because it is less than 0.50. No. Whole number 3, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1, 4. Like that only.
The number the number without decimal, right?
Yes. See here. 3, 2, 8, 9, 2, 1, 4. Even number and odd number from a decimal number. Okay. In this case, what happens? If you're asking to system from this decimal number, I want to know what is the even number. Remember this. If you're applying even function on any of the decimal number, I'm repeating, if you are going to apply even formula, even function on any of the decimal number, then it will be giving you always the higher even number. Higher even number 3.82. The next number will be even number will be 4 or 6 or 2. Tell me.
4.
4. It will be giving me 4.
4.
Now this one 2.45.
2.
4 only. Always higher number, guys. Told you right.
Okay.
Don't look at this 2.45. Forget about this decimal place. Don't think on that. Always just if it is 2.45, next number will be 4, even number, right? Tell
No.
me about this.
10.
10.
10. 4. 2. 6.
Same thing here. Same thing happens also with odd. Always upper number. Tell me.
5.
5.
3.
3,
9,
9,
11,
11.
1,
3.
3,
3.
3,
5.
5.
Done. LCM GCD. LCM we used to do, right? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? What is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Which number is common in table of 2, 3, 4? Which is multiply or which is common in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, and whichever is coming first. LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4. Number 12, right? भूल गए क्या guys? LCM निकालना.
Yeah,
2
idea is
into
there.
2 into 3, sir. 2 into 2 into 3 will get the LCM 12.
2 2s are 4. 4 into 3, 12.
Okay. GCD. If you are applying GCD of 4, 6, 8. Greatest common
Just
divisor.
common divisor.
Yes. Number 2. What is mode? What is quotient? Mode and quotient. let's suppose mode and quotient we will discuss here. Yes, correct.
Yes.
Now this is 4 is what?
Dip. Divisor.
25 is what?
Dividend.
Hmm. Six is what?
Quotient.
Option.
Quotient.
1 is what?
Reminder.
Remainder.
Remainder. Yes.
Remainder, not reminder. Okay, remainder. So this core remainder we can call it as a mode. M-O-D. This is mode. This is not M-O-D-E. This is different. Okay. This is M-O-D. This is wrong. This is correct. We are calling it as a MOD. Okay. Now I want to get, and by the way, in maths, we also study that if I'm writing like this, 25 divided by 4. Now this one will be called as a numerator, right? And this 4 is as a
Denominator.
denominator. Yes or no? Or you can call it this is your dividend. This is called your divisor. But upper side value will be denominator and below will be denominator, right? Now I want to get this 1 and this 6. I want to get quotient. I want to get remainder. What is the quotient here?
6.
What is the remainder?
1.
Same thing I can get it with the help of these functions. We want to know quotient of, now it is asking numerator, denominator. What is numerator here?
25.
Comma, what is denominator?
4.
Quotient is what?
6.
A mode I want. Mode of number is,
25.
divisor is
4.
mode. Same result, right? 6 quotient, 1 is mode. Clear? Is it clear? बोलने के पैसे लगते क्या?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This thing we discussed already. If you can do some ifs, you can also do count ifs. This also already discussed. Even odd power pi. Even odd also discussed power. What is 3 power 2?
9.
4 power 2.
3.
16.
16. 4, 4, 16.
3 power 6.
18.
3 power 6, guys. Why 18? If 3 power 3 is 9, you're telling me 3 power 6 is 18. How come? Should multiply 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 6 times, yes or no?
729.
Do you know any symbol on the keyboard? Power symbol? 3 power I want to use. Just look on your laptop between alphabet T and Y. Number 6 is there, and the same key there is a symbol. That symbol I'll use with the help of shift key. This symbol. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Upper arrow
called
one.
this is called your power symbol.
Power
3
symbol.
power 6. 3 power.
6.
Result is
720.
yeah. Or I can also apply a function. Power. Number is what? 3, comma, power 6.
We can use two ways, sir, for this.
Sorry.
We can use in two ways, sir, for using that upper that power symbol and bracket.
Power symbol means you're using it right here.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. 2 times you're using, like that's what you're telling.
Yes, sir. This one and another one bracket one.
This is the function, function.
Power function. Yes,
This
sir.
is only with, if I'm writing like this, sum of 10, comma 20, that is 30. Same thing I can also do like this. 10 plus 20, right?
Yeah.
Happens.
Yeah.
Here I use symbol.
Plus.
Here I use function sum.
Yes, sir.
Here I use symbol.
Yeah.
Here I use function power.
Power.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay, pi. What is the pi? What is area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi is what?
3.14. 22%.
3.14, right? Pi. How many arguments?
No argument.
Arguments.
And pi is volatile, non-volatile?
Non-volatile.
Non-volatile.
Product is some product. What is product and some product? I will tell you. Okay, you have gone to the Reliance Mart or D Mart or Ratandeep, Vijeta, wherever you went. These are the prices, these are the quantities. And let's suppose you have one more column for item. This item price was this, quantity was this much amount will be this, multiply by this number, 126, drag it down. Result is how much? 1. Then again they will apply CST and CGST. Yeah. Right. Total bill will be here. Forget about those GST wala, CST wala part. But total is how much now? As of now, total is
1048.
104. Okay. Some of these numbers. I can also apply the same, like I can say that product function, product of number 1 is this, comma, number 2 is this, close parenthesis, drag it down, and let me apply some function here. 1048. Guys, 1 minute. Hello. Okay, so which function I applied here? Product function.
Yes.
And what is the sum of product? sum of all the products. Product and sum of product. How much? Sum of product
1048.
1048.
1 0
Instead of applying this function, I can write directly sum. Array 1 is this. Price, comma, array 2 is quantity. Close parenthesis, result is 1048. This is sum function. This is product and sum. This is sum product. Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Square root. What is square root of 25?
5, sir.
5. 5.
625.
25.
What is 25 multiplied by 25?
625.
55.
What is multiply 6 multiplied by 6?
36.
25 multiplied by 25, you told how much?
625.
35 multiplied by 35, how much?
That's about Delhi.
Hmm?
125.
45 multiplied by 45. Which I don't know whether you have. I have one take on this. I still remember, just wanted to share with you guys. Do you want to know that? All the numbers starting like, these numbers 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. I can tell you all this 25 multiplied by 25, 35 square, 45 square. I can tell you. I remember this, this trick my teacher told me in 10th class. I still remember that. Do you want to know that?
Yes, sir.
Short trick. So he told me that 25 multiplied by 25. Okay. So how he told me that? Write 25 here. What is the next number after 2?
3.
3.
3 into 6. Sorry, 3 into 2. Result is
6.
And the right hand side, the first alphabet, first number, right hand side. What is the number?
5. 5.
5 into 5.
25.
Same thing here. If I write 35 here, what is after 3?
4.
4.
4 into 3. Result is 12.
12.
5 into 5. 20. 45. What is the next number after 4?
5.
5.
5 into 4. Result is
20.
20.
5 into 5.
25.
25.
I only know this. Don't ask me 24 multiplied by 24. I don't know. He told me about this only. So I just wanted to share with you. Best practice sharing. Okay. You can do this also. 8 into 9. 72, right?
Yeah.
And 25 into 25. Sorry, 5 into 5, 25. This will be your 85 into 85. Okay. Clear? Now square root. If I want to know SQRT, square root of 25. Result will be 5 only, right? Square root of 625. 25. These function important.
So what happen if we put the wrong number
Where
instead of 25, if I write 720 or any wrong number?
take it now, then accordingly it will give you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if you're going to a restaurant and total bill is this, total bill is this, how much you will pay and how much we have to pay.
170.
179. If total bill is this, round up will be
180.
you can see it on your fuel dispenser, your petrol pump, right? Restaurants bills will be like this only.
Yes.
So we have function called name is round up, round down, round. Round up, up, down, and round. Round up, round down, round. Round up. Round up function will always be giving you upper value. Remember this. Round up will be giving you the upper value. Round down will be giving you always the low. Round function will be consider our mathematical, the situation or the point which where we used to discuss that, okay, if after point, if it is 0.50, that number 7.50 will become 8. 7.56 will become 8. 7.21 will be 7. 7.19 will be 7 only, right? But with round up function, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what is your decimal number. After decimal number, it doesn't matter whether it is 8.2 or 0.45 or it is 0.051 or it is 0.69. Doesn't matter. Always be it will giving you the
Higher.
higher value. So round up. If I say round up, number is this. Number does it? Two digits. Nothing but 3.82. 3.8. Now round up. Tell me 3.82 will become
4. Okay. So it will give the add of the decimal or the entire?
end of the decimal. 3.83. 3.82. I'm giving 2 decimal places. 82, 45, 05, 69. Only read 2 decimal places. It will become 3.83. Now 2.45. If I drag it down, tell me.
2.46.
46. Next one.
8.06.
All
9.7. 2.4. 0.66. 4.89. 88.
down value will be giving you always down value. It will not be upper value. It will be 3.82. It will be 3.82 only. Next number 2.45. Tell me.
2.5.
8.05.
8.0.
Same.
9.69. 2.3. 1.65. 4.87.
Now, you're just thinking that why require this round up, round down? I don't like this. I like round function only. Round function will follow the mathematical rule, which we have studied in our 10th, 8th, 6th, 7th standard. The rule was if after point, if it is more than equal to 0.50, then this number will become full number, right? It will be 4.00.
4.
But if I want to know up to 2 decimal places, nothing but 3.825 after 2, what is third number?
5,
5. Now this will become
8.3,
3.83. After 459, what is third number?
9,
Now this number will become
46, 46.
yes. This is called a round function. See, rounds a number to a specified number of digits. Round number this. I want to know up to 2 decimal places. Now tell me 2.459 it will be
2.46,
8.05.
8.05, 8.05,
Hmm.
9.70, 2.3, 1.6,
6.
5, 4.89. No, sorry, 87.
8. 8.
How about this? Number is this, comma, number does it zero if I'm saying this. Then
4.
it means it will be considering value from here only. Now this number will change. 3, 3.824, 2.45, 2 only.
3.
Why 3?
No. After 50, it will be.
After 5.
Why this will become 3, guys? What number I have given here?
0.
If it is 0, then it will not go up to this level. It will not go up to this level, third number. No. 0 means it will be considering this number now, 3. If 3.82 more than 50, then it will become 4. 2.45, 45 less than 5 remains 2. 8.0, 8.05, it will be 8 only.
8 only.
9.69, 10.
10.
2.31, 2.
2.
1.65,
2.
4.87.
5.
हाँ, अभी भी जाओ तुम रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, होटल में जाओ, किधर भी जाओ, पेट्रोल पंप पे जाओ, दे आर फॉलोइंग राउंड फंक्शन. Okay, that's what 1.7978 became 180. If I change this to 1.179.21, bill will be
170.
29 only. Ceiling and floor. Ceiling, floor, am round. Ceiling, floor, am round. Guys, these functions, all the functions, whatever we discussed so far, won't be useful, so useful, but good to know. Okay, so we have just chosen important functions from mathematicals. Okay, there are so many functions also in mathematical. If you go there and check it now, you'll find so many mathematical functions. See, but we have chosen very few of them. Fact, GS, GCD, integer, LCM, mode. Okay, ceiling means top, floor means down. Ceiling fan, right? Ceiling fan, correct?
Yes, sir.
Always upper value. Always upper value. Let's suppose if I'm giving this ceiling of number this significance. Upper value always. I'm giving significance of 2. What if I'm giving significance of 1? Significance of 2 means all the given number. But here significance of 1 means it will be considering this 3.82, 2.8, nothing but 3, 8.05, 05, 9, always upper value. If I'm giving this floor function, floor of number is this, significance of 1 only, lower value. 3.82 will be 3 only, 2.85 will be 2 only, 8.05, 8 only, 9.69, 9 only, 2 only, 1 only, 4 only. M round is like round function. Multiple of, let's suppose, 1. Now this M round function will be considering like round function only. 3.82 has become 4. Now 2.85 will become 3. 8.05.
8, 8,
8,
8,
10,
10,
2,
2,
2,
2,
2,
next 5.
5.
5.
Yes, sir.
I can give you best example for this ceiling function. I can give you best example for ceiling function. Let me give you that list. Yes, the list is here. Let's suppose here's RTC or RTC or AP RTC buses. Okay. Now, whenever you're traveling within city or intrastate, or well, suppose let's check example for within city or best example, metro train. Are you paying 11 rupees, 13 rupees, 17 rupees, 26, 23, 7 rupees or 9 rupees in city buses? Let's suppose if you are traveling from Amirpet to KPHB or Amirpet to Panjagutta or Amirpet to Somajiguda or Amirpet to Khertabad. Are you paying fare like 13, 17, 23, 27 rupees like this?
No, sir.
What kind of fares you see nowadays?
20 rupees, 30,
Hmm,
35, 40.
it means multiple of 5.
5.
Yes or no?
So,
If you're traveling from Amirpet to, let's suppose, Musarram Bagh or
Secunderabad.
LB Nagar, right? The metro train fare is 35 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means my mean to say is that it's multiple of 5. No more 11, no more 13, no more 17. Multiple of 5. So they have a list. They have a list. All the fare list within the city. Okay, that city bus. And they want to revise their fares. Of course, diesel has increased, petrol has increased. Definitely, amount will be up only. Amount will be up only. Nothing but ceiling function we will use always upper value. And always upper value significance of 5. Significance of 5. Okay. Ceiling is this. Number is this. comma 5. Now tell me, if it is 25, this 25 will be 25 only because its significance of always 5 only, right? Multiple, nothing but significance of 5 is what? The number which can be divided by 5. Tell me, if I'm using ceiling function, it will always be giving me which value? Upper value. Now, significance of 5 will be 11, also 10 or 15. If I'm using ceiling function, which always gives me upper value, tell me what will be upper value of 11, significance of 5? Let me
15.
repeat it. Let me repeat it. Ceiling function always gives upper value. Remember this word. Second, I'm asking if number 11 is there and I want to know what is the multiple of 5 after 11.
15.
Tell me, this sphere will become
20.
15.
15,
This sphere will
Oh, yeah.
become
20,
20. Okay.
30,
30.
25,
25.
10,
10.
10.
10. Mm.
now what they will do, they will apply this function and drag it down and simply they will copy this value and they will apply here paste special values and update the system. That's it. That's how they will do. And whenever bus conductor will be there in the bus, he will be using that machine and the fare will be showing updated number like this. Got it?
Yes.
The ceiling function value, usage of it, right? Okay. Now this trunk function, what is trunk function? Well, so the trunk function is this. Trunk function will be always be giving you the integer value. 3.823, 2.452, 8.05, 9.69, I think, but 9. It's kind of integer value only. If I ask you 345 seconds, how many minutes, how many seconds? Can I say 345 divided by 60? Is it? 5.75 minutes. 5.75 minutes.
5.75.
What is 0.75 in this case? How many seconds? 0.75. If 345 total second is there, guys, I'm asking how many minutes, how many seconds?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. How many seconds left?
So
30, 45.
45.
If I'm doing like this, 345 divided by 60, it's giving me 575. Nothing but what is 75%? 60 multiplied by 75%. It will be how much? 45, right? So what I'm saying here is, I want to take all the minutes here and seconds here. How can I get this 5 here? I can use integer function, yes or no? If from this time, if I want to fetch 5, how can I fetch 5? Integer function I can use. Trunk function I can, integer, trunk, round down, floor function, quotient function. If I use quotient function, this number divided by 60, quotient will be 345 divided by 60.
Comma.
5.
5.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ यारो, कंफ्यूज काहे को हो रहे तुम लोग। 345 यहाँ से 60 से डिवाइड करना है इसको, कितना हो गया, कितने टाइम पे गया डिवीजन?
5 times.
कितना बचा यहाँ पे? 5 क्या है? क्वोशिएंट है ना ये?
Quotient.
क्या है? रिमाइंडर, राइट?
Remainder.
Remainder.
वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ मैं। How can I fetch this 5? With the help of quotient I can fetch.
Quotient.
Of floor function I can. Because floor function will always be giving you the lower value, right? 5.75 will always be lower, nothing but 5 only. I can use round down, always down value. I can use integer, nothing but 5. I can use trunk function. How can I get that 45? With the help of which function I can get it? How can I get this 45? Which
Two.
function I will use?
More.
Mod function I can use, yes. I can use mod function here. Mod of 345 divided by 60. What do you mean? Okay, one thing I want to know. Tell me, total of these three now, all the numbers is how much?
310.
310. Okay, let me apply sum function. Sum of these numbers is 310. Excellent. Now, tell me sum of two largest numbers. Let's do it manually. Tell me first largest number in this list.
90.
90.
Second largest
75.
number,
75.
75, right?
Yeah, 75.
Look at this.
165.
You can identify first largest, second largest number from this list because it's easy because I have total 10 counts. What if you have some 1,000 numbers? Then I'll ask you. And I want to apply sum of two largest numbers. How will you apply that? You check all 1,000 numbers, then you will check, okay, this is the first largest, this is the second largest. And let's do it manually like this. Do you think it is feasible?
No.
In that case, what I can do? Okay, tell me, how can I find the first largest number? Which function I'll use?
Max.
Max will give me, okay, max will give me top value. Perfect. Okay, tell me, how can I get the second largest number? Which function? Guys, आपको ये भी नहीं आता? Already we discussed. How can I get the second largest number, third largest number? Which function I will use?
Large and small. Second largest, third.
The function.
Large function, yes. Array is this. In this array, what is k? Is a number, second largest number. Yeah, I want to know that, yes. If I want to know first largest number, either you can apply max function or you can apply
Or you
array this one. Come on.
1.
Total of these two number is
165.
But same thing I'll apply some function, sum of numbers. Sum large. Array. Array is this.
Range.
Comma. K. I cannot write second largest and comma third largest. No. What I will do, if I want to take two more than one number, in that case I can apply this bracket. This bracket called as a
Curly bracket.
Clever.
curly bracket. 2 comma 3.
Curly bracket.
Curly bracket close. This parenthesis close. Now this parenthesis closed for large.
Large.
I want to close one more bracket. Result is 122. Why 122? Tell me.
2, 3.
2.
It is giving me 165. It is giving me 122. Why difference?
We need
जो सही आंसर बताए सो उसको वर्चुअली चॉकलेट दी जाएगी.
we given sum of 2, 3, right? Instead of 1, 2.
Exactly, guys. That's true only. Here it is first largest and second largest number. Here what I have given
2, 3.
2, 3.
should be 1, 2, right? Now change the number. Suppose I will change 90. Let's suppose I change this to 147. 147. Now total will be 147 plus
47 plus 90.
result is 237. 237. If I have showed you three values, so to top two values, now you have to do top three values, bottom three values. You will do it. Okay, I'll not do it. Tomorrow we will discuss about subtotal. This one in subtotal, I will discussing whatever I left in this list. I left two formulas: aggregate and subtotal. These two I'll discuss in this list tomorrow. And after this, we will discuss about EMI table tomorrow. If you are taking a loan for 10 lakhs rupees for 10 years, 12% rate of interest, how much will be your EMI? EMI will be this. In this EMI, there are two factors involved. One is principal portion, other one is interest portion. If I make a total of these two, it will be your EMI. See, EMI will be this only. Can you see here? Sum of these two numbers is this only. After paying EMI for 5 years, nothing but 60 months, what will be your outstanding balance? You can check it here. After paying 60 months EMI, outstanding principal is this much. If it is for 10 years, means 10 years means multiply by 12, 120 months. Balance is nil. Clear? This we'll discuss tomorrow. And in this 10 lakhs wala loan, I can understand that, okay, in 10 lakhs, 58% I am paying as a principal portion. 42 is how much?
Principal
Interest.
amount. Principal and interest amount.
Total how much I am paying?
Let's complete to
Loan of
Principal
10 lakh.
plus interest amount. Sum. Principal amount plus interest amount.
Total 17 lakhs,
17 lakhs,
21,651 I have to take in next 10 years.
651.
1 lakh rupees on the interest rate of 12%. That we'll discuss in detail tomorrow. After this, we'll discuss lookup function. Very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Lookup functions will discuss various types of VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUP, index match, offset match. We look up with multiple tables. We look up with approximate match, and we look up with wildcard match. These things we'll discuss. Okay. Okay then, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.